At Fresh Start Housing Program, our mission is simple. Transform home ownership for the many Americans who have experienced credit issues resulting from short sales, foreclosures, or just negative credit events that have taken place over the last several years. These life-changing events have caused many to lose the benefits of home ownership. With our innovative lease-to-purchase program, Fresh Start is helping families who cannot qualify for a traditional mortgage today, yet are on the road to recovery and have a true desire of home ownership. You live in the home that will soon be yours before your credit is fully repaired and have up to 6 years to get back on track financially. Lease to Purchase looks out for you. The monthly payment guarantees you can live in your home for the full 6 years at the agreed upon terms, and your dream home cannot be sold out from under you. Lease to Purchase means your home cannot be foreclosed on, something your landlord can't guarantee. National Association of Realtors are projecting that home values will continue to increase year over year. Consider this. Lease to Purchase lets families keep the upside appreciation above the agreed-upon purchase price. Give Fresh Start a call or send us an email. There is no cost to apply.